Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious tuna sandwich at home. First, gather your ingredients. 1 can of tuna, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 stalk of celery, and 2 slices of your favorite bread. Make sure to drain the tuna very well to avoid a soggy sandwich. You can also prepare any extra toppings you enjoy, such as crisp lettuce or a fresh tomato slice, for added flavor and texture. Now, let's create the perfect tuna salad. Take your well-drained tuna and flake it into a medium-sized mixing bowl using a fork. Next, finely chop 1 stalk of celery. This adds a wonderful crunch and freshness to your sandwich. Then, add about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise to the bowl. Gently mix all the ingredients together until they are thoroughly combined and creamy, ensuring every bite is flavorful. With your tuna salad ready, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Take 1 slice of your chosen bread and generously spread the tuna mixture evenly across its surface, reaching close to the edges. If you're using additional toppings, now is the time to add them. A crisp lettuce leaf or a few thin tomato slices work wonderfully. Finally, carefully place the second slice of bread on top, gently pressing down to secure everything in place. Your delicious homemade tuna sandwich is now complete. For easier handling and a more enjoyable eating experience, you might want to cut your sandwich in half, either diagonally or straight across. Serve it immediately with a side of potato chips, a pickle spear, or a fresh fruit salad for a complete meal. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to * the simple path to wealth * and other great deals that might interest you. Enjoy every bite of your perfectly crafted sandwich.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.